So here we are. Today we have our new product, which is the replacement AC panel, which is this part here. So it basically came with the panel itself, buttons on it, looks pretty substantial, a couple of wee brackets, not sure what they're for, and I've had a look at the installation video, so I'll give a go at installing it. First thing we need to do is to take these two side trims off, and we take this trim off here. So I'm just covering this here to try and protect any scratchings from this panel here. So these panels should pop off. There's two wee locator lugs there, and there's 3 clips. Just slide in, pop off there. And I'll just do another one, which is the very same. Now this trim, walnut or veneer trim, should pop off. There it is. It just pops off there, and then it's obviously stuck under here. So I'm going to try and pull this off. It should come off as one. It's getting held in with clips there. I don't think we need any trim tools for that, so we'll give that a wee out there. It's coming off at the bottom. There we are. So that comes off as a single unit. It's quite long, so that there. Don't know why that's come on. So what I think we need to do, that should come off now. So
nothing. We're told it's not a.
You can turn that down. So you can turn that off actually. This is my wee clock here that I stuck on, but that looks as if it's just located here. A locator and 4 pins, wee bits at the side as well. Quite substantial that. Quite a heavy piece, so put that over there. So what I believe we need to do is to take this out here, and in order to get that out, because it's up behind here, I need to slacken these 4 bolts, which are Torx, and just slacken that and move it, and take these 4 out here, and it should be as simple as taking that out there and replacing it with the new panel. So we'll get our Torx, and I think this might be the right. So that bracket should come out of here. It just sits on there like that. And I think we will go for taking these 4 out for now. See how we got on that. Technically should lift out of there. Seems a bit tight, so it did. And in the back here, I don't know if you can see that well. Just a singular plug. It's just a wee tab. We pull that in there, and that's us got the air con control unit out. We can see the buttons are up here, and the CD player is in here. So I will place that down over here for now. It should be as simple as placing that back in there, but my OCD's getting the better of me, so I need to go and see if I can get a wee cloth just to clean that up. Just put that back down there again. So this is the panel. It's quite expensive, but you know, you want to upgrade your cars, that's fine. Again, it's got 1 plug on it, and there is a USB port on this for allowing any updates. So back again, had another look at the video. Didn't really learn very much, but it's based on an Android system being fitted here, and I'm just going to take this off because the installation video doesn't show you the panel being fitted with the original infotainment system in place. So I'm going to just slacken that. I don't think it's going to make much difference. So what's saying in the video, these two things locate over here, so these two wee plugs here. I'm assuming that's going to be the other screw for the panel outside. You can see this just slots in. That is tight as fuck. That ain't going in there. No chance, my friend. No chance is that going in there. So with my luck, I will break it and then I'll be in deep shit. So we'll try that again. These wee clips in here. I wonder, I said, if we open that drawer, it's not want to move. The drawer's not working. That's us. So I think that may well be it in place. It feels fairly tight. I think I will rebuild it at that. Because one of the things it shows you is that drawer opening. So I'll just put that back down there again. I'll rebuild that again. And we'll see what it looks like. Just push that in there. So that's in, that's on. I'm not 100% convinced of that, to be quite frank with you. However, we will put on this part here. Hopefully I don't damage that. Yeah, that looks pretty secure. And these ones, I think that's something. We'll try this one first. There's one side on. So, looks okay. It is fairly solid. Okay, I'll get in that, but I just felt it would have popped into position, but it's fine. The door's opening fine. Power on, if I can get the keys in. So that's it, powered on. Seems to be working. I wonder if there's a CD in there. I don't think there is. No, there is. Let's see if it comes out. The CD didn't come out. Oh, there you go. So the CD, I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm going to get impatient there, there you go. So, all seems to be working. So all seems to be working. Good. I'll mess about with the settings. I think you can control the luminance of that and make it dark, make it bright. Yeah, there's an auto on that, so I'll need to figure out that. I think the auto will be in dark mode at night time, and which I quite like that. English language, there we go. So cool, well done. Rear seat, so just waiting on the update, hopefully, to allow us to use the massage function, which is up here. I'm not too worried about changing that. I know people are changing that to the Android system, but I don't particularly use a lot of music in my car. If I do, I've got an iPod that I plug into my USB. I don't really use my phone for music at all. That's just the guy I am. But yeah, it looks pretty decent. It does make this look a wee bit outdated, to be quite honest with you. But I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. So there you go, that's the installation of the Range Rover L405. This is a 2013 AC panel. It's fairly straightforward. Just felt as if it wasn't wanting to go in properly, but it looks like it's in position. It's fairly robust. All works. If I go to my audio, radio, turn the volume up, see if that works here.
Talk Radio is because of his work that his family's at risk, and they must leave if they're to remain alive.
As it's all about
Switch it off, switch on.
because of my work with the British Army, that's why my family they don't have any other option.
Cool. And that's us, and thanks for watching. Good to do that first time, but any other problems with that or any updates, I'll certainly let you know.